Introduce highlight features or overview summary for GATEXPERT GT1000DCL automatic sliding gate opener kit with remote transmitters and 20 feet chain. DC motor for the gate up to 2,200 pounds and 40 feet. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: gate restriction, with 2,200 pounds maximum gate weight and 40 feet maximum gate length. Automatic close time setting, the gate is operated to open by remote control operation and will close automatically after a few seconds delay, 3, 10 and 30 second. Remote control mode switch, you can set it to single button mode and 3 button mode. External button mode switch, you can set it to single button mode and 3 button mode. Opening direction setting, the default setting is right hand opening, you can adjust it to left hand opening. Limit switch setting, it is normal open, you needn't modify it. Auto reverse function, when the gate hits something, it will reverse for security. Photocell delay detection, the package is with inset of infrared sensor, please enable this function if your motor is connected with a photocell. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.